Hey y'all, I'm back again with more air frying fun. I've been having a wonderful time making videos, and I'm so glad that everyone's finding them enjoyable and informative. I've been getting a number of questions about my air fryer, and I thought I'd spend just a few minutes addressing some of those questions. I have a PowerXL Vortex air fryer. It's a 5-quart fryer. This is what the box looks like. I'm sure my husband got it from our local big box chain mart. There are a lot of air fryer brands, and you can do your research and find the one that's absolutely right for you. Air fryers come in a variety of sizes, from 2-quart up to 7-quart. The size that will be right for you depends on how many people you need to feed. If you're feeding just a few people, you might try a 2-quart or a 3-quart air fryer. If you've got 4 or more people, you might want a 5-quart air fryer. If you've got a big party, you might want to try a 7-quart air fryer. Your air fryer is going to come with a frequently asked questions guide or a how-to guide. You're going to want to read it thoroughly. It says that I can prepare a variety of dishes, including steaks, chops, and burgers, and that I need to refer to my recipe guide. The funny thing is, there's no recipes for steaks, chops, or burgers in the recipe guide. There's hot wings, mozzarella sticks, and a number of recipes that I plan to try in the future. You can look for upcoming videos on those. There's a recipe for onion rings that basically tells you to use frozen prepackaged battered onion rings. I wouldn't call that a recipe. The air fryer uses less energy, so it's more cost efficient to run. It also doesn't get your house nearly as hot as using the oven or the range top. And best of all, what I like best of all, when I cook meat, my house doesn't fill up with smoke or smell. I've done bacon, I've done sausage, I've done steak in the air fryer, and my house doesn't have a smell that lingers. Somehow it traps the smell. I don't know how it does it, but it does. My model came with a basket that has a plate in it. The basket and the plate are non-stick. That makes cleanup so easy. I just soak it in Dawn. To prolong the life of your air fryer, do not use aerosol cooking spray. I have a variety of recipes planned for upcoming videos, and I really appreciate everyone's feedback. Yes, we're going to try some fresh vegetables. We're even going to do desserts. Tonight, we're going to try the #1 item cooked in air fryers: frozen French fried potatoes. Step 1, put your frozen potatoes in the air frying basket. Arrange your potatoes in a single layer, making sure not to overcrowd them. Cook at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Don't forget to shake the basket halfway through cooking. Cooking with an air fryer is almost foolproof. You can throw the food in and walk away. You'll save time too, and with all that time on your hands, you can trip the light fantastic with your best little guy, catch up on your reading, or even practice a few card tricks. It's time to see how they turned out. They look very crispy and golden brown. I wonder how they taste. Not overcooked, they're perfectly cooked. I mean, it was easy, you just throw it in there and leave it alone. Didn't burn them, but they taste a little better somehow, a little crispier. There's just something slightly different about the taste versus cooking in the oven. It was easy. Hey y'all, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave me a comment. If you've got an air fryer, tell me what you like to cook with one. If you're interested in getting an air fryer, I'm happy to answer any questions you have. I hope y'all have a wonderful evening and keep on frying.